Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Abhidev and I create videos about freelancing, books and productivity. So consider subscribing if you are interested in similar content. In this video, we will talk about things which can help you to earn money in your teenage days. And you will gain a lot of experience if you will do anything from all the things which I will talk in this video. This is the kind of video that I really want my 16 or 17 years version to have. And I really think if I knew these things which I'm going to talk about in this video, then it would have helped me so much to produce multiple streams of income in my teenage years, and I would have gained so much experience at that time only. So guys, if you are in the age bracket of 16 to 20 years, then please act on some of the things that I'm going to talk about in this video. So yeah, let's start the video, and the first thing that I want to talk to you guys about is video editing. सो वीडियो एडिटिंग लाइक आजकल ऐसी चीज बन गई है जो एसेट की तरह एक्ट करती है. इफ यू नो बेसिक वीडियो एडिटिंग देन यू कैन अर्न प्रीटी गुड. लाइक इजीली कोई भी आपको 5 to 6 मिनट्स के वीडियो एडिट करने के लिए 2000 और 3000 रुपीज पे कर देगा. एंड व्हेन यू नो थिंग्स लाइक एनिमेशन एंड ऑल यूजिंग Adobe After Effects, देन उसके लिए तो लिटरली गाइस पूछो ही मत. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू गाइस टू लर्न वीडियो एडिटिंग इफ यू गाइस हैव सिमिलर इंटरेस्ट. बहुत ही ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल स्किल होने वाली है फ्यूचर में भी, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर प्रोड्यूस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वीडियोस. लाइक सारे बिजनेसेस जो एड्स क्रिएट करते हैं वो मेजॉरिटी वीडियोस में ही होते हैं, एंड मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम विल नीड वीडियो एडिटर्स सो दैट दे कैन क्रिएट एड्स एंड प्रमोट देयर स्टफ. And as compared to few years back, reading and listening were the most common forms of content consumption, but now with the help of YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Instagram, the entire industry of content creation had shifted to video related content. So आप सभी सोच सकते हैं how valuable video editing is and will also remain in future. और अगर हम बात करें clients की, like how you can find the clients, then उसके ऊपर भी वीडियो जल्दी ही आने वाली है. I will create the video soon and will also update you guys. Next, moving on to the job, which is like the best way to gain a lot of experience and money, is personal assistant. So becoming a personal assistant help you in many ways. First of all, it gives you tremendous amount of experience. Like बहुत सारी चीजों का आपको experience मिलता है. And you create many contacts too. Suppose if you are working with some content creator who has a following of like 1 million, then you will know how he or she manages their work. Like you schedule their calls, their meetings, help them to maintain their proper functioning, and also talk to people in their contacts. So by this you will gain a lot of experience. In your teenage days, like when you are in a school or in a college, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा डेप्थ में पता पड़ता है how this industry of content creation works. And at the time when you will graduate or pass your 12th standard, then you will have this contact so that you can start your own side hustle or your business. So if by chance you will get the opportunity to work with someone, then don't miss that opportunity. And you can also do this by cold emailing, like send emails to people with all the skills you have such as communication and all, and ask them if you can work for them like as a personal assistant. Next in the list is graphic designing. So graphic designing एक ऐसी चीज हो चुकी है, like if you guys have interest in designing an interface, then you can start it in your teenage years and make a good living out of it. This has also been in great demand in the recent years because most of the businesses are going online. Any website or app you see needs a graphic designer, and content creators also need them for their Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube and other social media platforms. और इस फील्ड में स्टार्ट करना, like how this works, you can try apps like Canva, Adobe Spark and Photoshop. Where Canva and Adobe Spark are too easy to use. आपको बस 1 से 2 दिन का टाइम लगेगा ये सब सॉफ्टवेयर सीखने के लिए. Like you guys can easily learn them and start creating graphics for others. And by the way guys, Canva तो आप सबको सीख लेना चाहिए in either case, because this individual software is such useful tool. You can literally do anything with this software in terms of designing and content creation. I create my thumbnails and many other pictures that I put in my videos with the help of Canva, and I have also made many videos on how you can earn money using Canva. Like people can earn around 3000 rupees to 5000 rupees per hour using it. So don't forget to check those videos out. Now moving on to the next thing in the list, which is social media management. Social media management is a skill which is mostly based on good knowledge of social media platforms, where you need to manage profiles of content creators and businesses in order to grow them organically, increase their sales, and also to plan content which creates impact on audience. If you have in-depth knowledge of any social media platform like Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube, then you can work as a social media manager. And even if you don't know these applications, then research for them, like how these platforms work. And I have a few sources from where I learned about these platforms. For YouTube, I watched Neil Patel's videos and Catherine's videos. And for Instagram and LinkedIn, I will provide the links in the description. So go check them out. Learn about these platforms and help these people who want to grow their social media presence. And the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is writing. So writing is not something that I would recommend to everyone. If you only have interest in reading and writing, then only it will work for you guys, because it's pretty exhausting process. But if you are interested and want to start like you are just a beginner and want to try it, then it is one of the most fulfilling things you can have. I write blogs, scripts and many different things since last 2 years, and I can say that it's usually hard at starting, like when you are figuring out your writing style and what you enjoy writing. But once you figure it out and get in the flow, then you can write things so easily and things just come into your mind while writing. Nowadays, I have a daily routine of writing like 1500 words to 2000 words, which includes my YouTube scripts, work for my clients and all. And the process seems so enjoyable. So if you want to be a writer, then first see what you want to write. Whether it's social media posts, YouTube scripts, blog posts, short stories or any other form of writing. And just start doing it. Then research like how you can find clients as a writer. The best way that I would recommend to you guys is to ask people on Instagram and LinkedIn. So do it. And if you don't find clients this way, then video on the topic how to find freelance clients is coming soon, and which concludes all the things that I want to talk to you guys about in this video. And all these things can easily help you guys to earn money like as a student, and you guys will realize the power of working in your teenage years. At the time you will graduate, you would have already opened so many doors for you and you will be in a completely different league. So guys, see what you like doing and what can help you in the future to achieve your goals. And starting early always gives you some sort of edge. So that's it for the video, and if you found the things that I talked about helpful, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.